Oh, wow.
That came from out here. My worms. Come close. Ready?
I'm ready. Ah.
No, they're not in here.
Oh, I thought those were worms.
No, they're down in the bottom. But these are all eggs.
Oh.
Where are they? Oh, they're on the other level. Hold on. Need to put some water in here.
Yeah,
Look. Come.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. There's a whole heap of them down here. Should be.
So this is your worm farm?
Yeah. Come here, buddy.
Hey, Sandra. Blessings, sister. And just out here with Nigel in the garden.
There's not a lot down here. They're up top.
So what is this whole contraption right here?
It's a worm farm.
It's a worm farm. Okay.
Yeah, I raise the worm to feed to my fishies.
Oh. Okay. Now what?
I'm gonna get some more.
It smells.
Yeah. Of course it does. It smells like a morass. Like wetlands. Like
Yeah.
a swamp. So I get food for the fish.
Uh-huh.
And give that to the fish. The fish, they eat, they poo. The poo goes on the plants, and then the plants give me food. And then I also get fertilizer from the worms.
So oh my gosh.
Which is worm tea.
So that's the worm tea.
Yeah. And I put it in my nursery, which I'm getting ready to plant out everything that's in there in a few minutes.
Oh, that's not going to stay like that?
No, I'm taking everything out of it.
Oh.
This is just a nursery.
So this is like an actual nursery.
Yeah.
Hey, Monica. Hey, Newton. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Angie. Hey, Jay. Hey, Sandra again. We're just out here in the garden. We were inside yesterday all day watching the news. So today we're coming out here.
Yep.
So here's your worm farm.
Yeah, I just got
There's worm tea, which is like worm pea. Wait, don't do it.
I'm not feeding them yet. They know what's going on, you see?
Mm-hmm.
They're ready. But I just kind of like,
Oh, you rinse them off?
Yeah, I rinse them off, get off some of the little dirt off of them. And then I get some more water. They're picking on my fingers underneath.
They're ready. They know. You feed them good.
This is a little bit gross, so I don't know if you can handle this. But come hold the camera over the fish so you can see them. Yeah. There we go.
Wow.
Having a good time.
Okay.
And if there's any caterpillars up here. Oh, here's one.
Oh, wow.
And look, you got it? Look. There we go. There he is. So they love all this stuff. When I come out here in the morning, that's what I kind of do. Is kind of like my therapy. Oh, you're eating my lettuce? Oh, no, you're not. You're about to become food. You look under the leaf. They're like on these plants, they're mostly underneath the leaf. Look, you see? And this is how you know when, most time people don't like to buy vegetables that, have holes in them and stuff like that. But that's how you know if there's chemicals being used on it. Look, you see? Hey.
You got it.
One of the big ones is going to come and just eat him up. The bigger one. Those little ones can't eat it.
He took a little nibble.
Yeah. Yep, you swallowed him.
Hey, Michelle is on the line.
Hi, Michelle.
Yes, I know we've been meaning to get with you, to get out in the garden with you for a minute.
It's right there. Gotcha.
Oh.
I love
Hey,
doing
Kim. Hey, Marcia. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain.
that. Oh, I haven't even got to start working yet.
Okay.
So he's getting ready. This one is getting ready to turn into a cocoon,
Uh-huh.
turn into a butterfly, but not before you turn food.
Oh. What is this net for?
This I use it to wash the worms sometimes. I have other worms that I'm growing in there, but I don't want to open that one because it's a little stinky. And I won't
Oh,
be able to handle it. So
okay. Thank you.
yeah.
I appreciate that. So, Michelle says she can't try the hydroponics. I'm not there yet. I
No,
just
that's not
finished watering.
hydroponics. That's aquaponics.
It's aquaponics, but we understand because when our friends Teresa and Matt, they're the sweetest. They gave us this aquaponics because Nigel said he wanted to do aquaponics
I want
and
to try it.
he wanted to try it. And I tell you what, when they brought it, we were like, "What the heck? What are we gonna do with this? What am I supposed to do with this?" So then he put some plants in there. They didn't grow. He put some fish in there. They died.
Some of them started dying, and then I had to call Teresa.
We
And Matt
called
and
Teresa and Matt, and then they told us what to do.
and,
Told him what to do because this is his thing.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it takes a lot. I mean, it takes a lot. It takes a lot.
Yeah, a whole lot.
Yeah. So what else? What else you got? What's over here, Nigel?
Just some plants. But, I'm gonna
I got
drop some of them
zucchini
off
yesterday.
today.
Where's the zucchini I got? Those are
Um,
tomatoes.
These are what you got yesterday, the zucchinis.
Those are zucchinis.
I just sit them in there in the water so they stay feed. They, I don't have to water it every morning or every day.
So this is
You
like
just
one of
drink
your
its
little
own
nurseries.
Yeah.
She said, "Do you recommend any essential oils to keep the bugs away?" He likes the bugs because
I feed them to the fish.
he feeds them to the fish. But so do you use any kind of oils?
No, I use nothing. I just pick them off with my hands
Uh-huh.
and give them to the fish.
Okay. So you don't use any
Chemicals, nothing at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
No. I am gonna get some marigold.
Oh yeah, like you told Michelle to do, and Michelle did it. He screamed when he saw Michelle.
I was like, whoa, she got the marigold. That's cool. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get some, and I can use that.
This is another nursery,
Yeah.
and
Well, that's the same one. This over here is my
compost.
but that's a little like if you see on the side there where I'm digging out, I'm making that garden there.
Uh-huh.
So if you see over there, that's a bunch of grass. Oh, right here. So that's grass from in the yard. So I have some before that was already dry. So it's in the cardboard boxes, bags, every little thing that I can find that is biodegradable, and I put it all in here. Like now that the rain is falling, I don't have to wet it. I just sit it on the side and the water, and then that helps to break down the cardboard boxes and everything. And then I get my regular soil from the store,
Uh-huh.
and I put it in here, and I mixed it with this stuff that's in here that's broken down.
Uh-huh.
And whenever I take out the plants out of here, I dig a hole out, and then I fill up. I put this soil that I'm working on here in the hole, and then I plant it. That because the sandy soil here in Florida, it doesn't keep the nutrients on the upper surface of the soil. Whenever the rain falls, it takes all the nutrients because the trees, their leaves fall, the leaves rot, that's nutrients. But when the rain falls, it takes all that stuff down to the water table. So I have to add my own nutrients to the soil. So
what do the cardboard boxes do?
it just it holds the moisture.
Uh-huh.
And by not just holding the moisture, but it also, whatever nutrients is on the surface or whatever you put around it, it traps it down there, hold it for a time so that the plants can get it to eat.
Ah, okay.
And then eventually it breaks down too and become, nutrients too. So.
Uh-huh.
So
So,
this is cow dung, soil. So with all this stuff, I have the press cake down here,
uh-huh,
and I'm using that for two things. I'm using it to breed worms,
uh-huh,
which is like fly larva,
uh-huh,
and whenever because I feed those to the fish too. And whenever I take out that, then I mix that in the soil too. So the plants are eating some almonds too.
Michelle says that her marigolds are Debbie says if you need compost to let her know.
Oh, I need lots of compost.
Really?
Thank you. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I really appreciate that.
Okay, so we got to call you, Debbie, and get some compost from you. And it's really raining, but thank goodness, look where we are. You guys recognize this? Yay!
Oh, yeah.
This is the tent from all the shows.
Yeah, this is the show right now.
This is the show right now. Hey, why don't you keep those things out here?
What things?
Those things right there.
No. I got those.
It doesn't have to go in there though.
Huh?
It doesn't have to go in there.
Where out here would I keep them?
You could just put them right here so that you could have another space to hang stuff.
That's not necessary.
Okay.
This is this tent anyway. How would I attach it? It's just sitting out here right now.
Oh, I see.
I understand. I gotta break it down to you. You don't got the building mind.
I don't.
Yeah, I gotta break it down.
I don't.
Cool idea though.
Yeah.
It wouldn't work.
Yeah, and there's already something to hang stuff from
Yeah.
right already.
And these are my seeds that I have up in here. Some peppers, and beans, pak chow. Yep. So that's what's going on up there. And then, oh man, I really wanted to build that thing today for the dragon fruits.
Oh, the harbor.
Yeah.
You know it'll stop raining soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna mix up some of that.
The tomatoes are huge.
Yeah, they are. Something is eating it though.
What do you mean? Like a...
Caterpillar that I can't see. I can't find. Oh, look at those guys. Anyway.
You want those?
Yeah, those are food for the fish too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So look. So I think I shared this with you guys when we were in California. So and I was sharing this yesterday too with a friend that came over. On your tomato, each of the stem where the leaf attached to the main stalk here, you always have these little branches that come up in them. There is none up in here right now, but these are called
Whoa.
deer fly.
Oh.
In Jamaica we have horsefly, but these are really quick. You got it quicker than a mosquito.
They weren't quicker than you, baby.
So I always break out the stems from out here. Don't let them grow because they always come below the blossoms. And what that does, it takes the nutrients that comes out from the soil and it takes it to grow another branch instead of growing tomatoes. So if I haven't been picking these off, this plant would probably be this tall with maybe 1 or 2 tomato on it. And it would have so much tomato on it.
Hey, Sandy. Wow. Wow. So you cut it off at a certain point?
No, I take out the garmandizer.
What's a garmandizer?
That's what we call it, but in a simple term, it's just a branch. It's just another branch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Perline.
You see where this leaf here,
Uh,
the V, right here.
uh-huh.
There's
Okay. It keeps trying to reconnect, but go ahead.
oh. So you can see from where I break it out there, on that one, there, on that one, and if you come even further down, oh, it's reconnecting. Oops. Yeah, there we go. You can see it there. And these always grow here, and then the blossom for the tomato always comes up here. And what they do is they take the nutrients, they stop it halfway, take the nutrients to grow the branch, and then the tomato gets nothing. So you always have to get those out. Reconnecting. So, I'm going to plant those 2 tomatoes over there and let them run up on the...
Oh, those are tomatoes on there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
Pot right there.
Oh.
Hey, cousin Felicia. It's raining. Me now I go out there. I got my bohemian bowl with my cherries. And...
I brought these so I can show you.
Okay, what you're talking about.
What I'm talking about. This one actually has one. It's small, but it has it. So these are all leaves.
Uh-huh.
The leaf here. That's a little branch right there.
Mm-hmm.
Here's another one right there.
Mm-hmm.
And if you notice where this is, it's right below the blossom, because that's gonna be tomatoes. These are gonna turn into tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
So you always want to get these out. And if they get big, where you didn't get to get it out and it got real big, maybe say 4 to 6 inches tall, you can actually create another tomato plant from it.
Oh, wow.
Once you break it out, you just set it in the soil. That's what this is.
Oh, wow.
This plant here came from right there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I'm going to pull it out to show you. So I just put it in there, set it. As you can see, I break it off there. You can see it fits perfectly right there. But I set it in the soil in the same pot just a few days ago, and as you can see, it started sprouting root. And I just set it in there, and this turns into another tomato plant. Yeah. So that's how you can clown, which I guess you can use the word clown.
Clone.
Yeah.
Clone.
Your tomatoes.
You don't want to clown your tomatoes, babe.
Clone them and clown them.
You're clowning what you're cloning, babe. What's this right here? Wow, just like that. It's a banana. Okay. Out in Jamaica?
Tree, yeah. But it's the banana that you ripe, the ripe ones. We call them honey banana or bumpy banana.
And we're gonna have those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tomato is just temporarily.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's not the tomato pot. That's a banana pot.
Oh.
But then I was like, the banana is gonna take 6 months to grow, so why not have something else growing in there in the meantime?
So then what are you gonna do with the tomatoes?
It's gonna grow. By the time the banana gets big, it's time to get rid of the tomato.
Oh, yeah. The tomato plant, it'll die?
Yeah, eventually.
Oh. Okay, let's see your necklace.
Oh, my necklace?
That you made.
Oh, my stone that I got from Ital.
Yes.
Ital Wellness. I've been trying to wrap from, since I was in California and all that, but didn't really have the time. I finally find the time to sit down and wrap it. So
yes.
Yeah, they call it what? I saw on the internet, they say they call it dragon's heart. But the right name is laburnite.
Ah.
I got it from a friend of mine in California, Robert and Ital.
Yes.
Ital Wellness.
Yes. And you wrapped one for me too.
Yep.
And it's so pretty.
Yeah.
I don't have mine on today though. I have on my body beads today.
Okay.
Got my beads on today. I don't know if y'all ready for this. Okay. All right, you guys. Well, we're going to wrap it up. Thank you for being in the garden with us today. Yes. We appreciate it. Love it. Stay safe. Be well. Love each other. My God. I don't even know what else to say.
Yep.
But yeah.
Show some love, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's more important now than ever.
Yeah, man. That's for sure.
We're all one.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
If I cut myself right now, it bleeds red. If you cut yourself, it bleeds red. We all breathe, you know, oxygen. We all drink water. We all depend on the same sun. We all live on the same planet, so it's just, you know, love our neighbors as we love ourselves. Yeah, man.
Amen,
Just
Nigel.
we just do unto others as we'd have them do unto us, you know. It's just what it is right now. That, you know, everyone sees it that way.
Amen.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for being with us today. Bless and love you guys.
I'm gonna drop some of these, sorry. Ooh, you
Oh,
stepped
sorry.
on my toe. That wasn't America you stepped on there, that was me.
Oh, sorry. All right, you guys.
Alright, well love guys.
Bless and love.
Yeah man.